So for our single bolt seat post, I'm going to go ahead and show how to install saddle. We've already pre-lubed the bolts with anti-seize compound. You're going to want to use a little bit of fiber grip here on the rails. Just turn the bolt so you create a little bit of play. You could turn this to the side. Put your saddle in. You should be able to have enough play there where you can just rotate the upper clamp into place. If not, just unscrew it a little bit more. And make sure you just leave at least a couple threads to hold this together, otherwise the pieces all go falling out on you. Let's try that again. I'll crossfade, so. Okay, so once you get that in, I'd use your finger to hold that kind of nut, that little bar-shaped nut down. And then you go ahead and select, this has a serrated stop system, so you can see you can set these anywhere within that range. And generally speaking, you want to kind of set your saddle pretty level. If you're putting this on a full suspension bike, remember that as you sit on the bike, it's going to sag, and that's going to tend to want to make your seat rise up in the front. So you may set it down just a little bit for a full suspension bike. Hardtails you can set pretty much level. Go ahead and tighten the clamp down. Now I generally recommend when you get it pretty much hand tight to just wiggle the saddle a little bit, side to side, fore and aft. What that does is that seats all those teeth in and gets them to engage properly. That way when you torque it down, everything lines up and fits in the way it should. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to set this and torque it to 22 Newton meters. Okay, now you can go out and ride the bike. After a couple rides, it's highly recommended to come back with your torque wrench and just double check that torque. Make sure you're still at 22 Newton meters. Other than that, go ride your bike and enjoy.